This answer the following. The first is, which was the original home of the Aryans? It is on page number 54. Remember, see the second point. You will write the answer. Their original home was in Central Asia. We come to the second answer. Which gods and goddesses were worshipped by the Aryans during the early Vedic period? And you have to describe the changes that took place in the religion in the later Vedic period. So first of all, we will write the heading gods and goddesses worshipped by the Aryans during early Vedic period. Come to page number 49. Children, here this you will be writing Varun, water god, god of seas, Indra, god of rainstorm and war, Surya, sun god, Agni, god of fire, Vayu, god of wind, Usha, goddess of dawn, and Prithvi, mother goddess. Okay. After this, we move to the second part of the question, that what were the changes that took place in the later Vedic period in religion. So come to page number 51, and the first point will be, you will write the heading first, changes that took place in religion in the later Vedic period. So first point you will write the mode of worship. Start from here. The mode of worship became complex and complicated. Secondly, you will write the early Vedic gods were replaced by Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. This will be the second point. Third point, a yajna was the most common ritual. Okay, fourth point, the priests were looked down upon as the messengers of God and enjoyed great power and prestige. Only this much is the answer. Then we move to the next answer. That is, on what basis was the Aryan society divided? Mention the functions of each social group. So you will write Varna was the basis of the Aryan society. Varna was the basis of the Aryan society. Or we can write even in this way, the Aryan society was divided on the basis of Varna. Then in the same answer you will write the heading functions. Then come to page number 48. Then you will be writing the first point. You will write the first point, Brahmins. Then you will make a dash small and write conducted religious ceremonies. Second heading you will write Kshatriyas. Then make a dash in between and write were rulers, administrators and warriors. Third, write the heading Vaishyas. You will write were farmers, merchants, etc. And the last you will write the fourth point, Shudra. And you will write served all the three classes. Okay. So how did the Aryans amuse themselves? Then you will write the Aryans amused. You will add D. The Aryans amused themselves by. Then come to page number 54. In points to remember. Okay. You will write by hunting, gambling, chariot racing, dancing and singing. Okay. With this we come to the end of the fourth answer. Now we have to explain the political organization of the Aryans during the later Vedic period. So heading you will write political organization of the Aryans during the later Vedic period. Come to page number 55. See under the heading the Vedic civilization, later Vedic age, first point you will be writing the king was very powerful or became very powerful. Second point, powers of assemblies declined. And the third point, many officers assisted the king. Now, the sixth answer, compare the position of the women during the early Vedic period and the later Vedic period. Children, you can have a look over here. I have written in the copy. First you'll make a margin in between and write early Vedic period and later Vedic period. The first point is women were respected. Here in the later you will write position deteriorated. Second point you will write women were given education, and here you will write they were denied education. Next is widow remarriage was accepted, widow remarriage was looked down upon. And the fourth point, attended assemblies and participated in debates, and here took care of families and served their husbands. Now, after this, they are asking you the difference of the position of the king of the early Vedic period as compared to the later Vedic period. So again, I have written the answer over here. Again, you'll make a margin in between and write the here early Vedic period and later Vedic period. So under early Vedic period, you will write king was powerful. In the later Vedic period, you will write king became very powerful. Okay. Secondly, assemblies kept a check on the power of the king. And here you will write power of assemblies declined. Third point you will be writing few officers assisted the king. And here you will write many officers assisted the king. Then early Vedic period you will write selected for his bravery and wisdom, and in later Vedic period you will write his position became hereditary. So with this we come to the end of the seventh answer. Now children, we move to the sixth exercise, that is the picture study. You can see a picture over here. They are asking you to identify the picture. So you will be writing it in the book only. This is the picture of a Guru Kul. Then in the second they are asking you to explain the system of this institution. So come to page number 52. Okay. Come to page number 52. You can mark this answer in the book. So we will be starting on page number 52 from here, the Guru Shishya tradition, and we will be ending on the other page at the second para where it is written Guru Dakshina. This much is the answer. You can mark it in the book. Okay, starting from the Guru Shishya and then ending at Guru Dakshina on the next page. Then, which ashram did it belong to? So, you will be writing Brahmacharya. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.